to get rid of canker sore. Do you know what canker sores are? Have you ever experienced the pain of a canker sore? Canker sores are small, painful crater-like ulcers inside the mouth. It can be on the tongue, lips, cheeks or throat and are white, gray or yellow in color with a red border. Keep watching to know how to get rid of canker sore fast. 1. Coriander. It has anti-inflammatory, antiseptic and antifungal properties and has a cooling effect which helps in treating canker sores. How to use. Boil 2 teaspoons of coriander seeds or leaves with water. Allow the water to cool and gargle 3 to 4 times a day with it. Alternatively, drink the juice of coriander leaves 3 to 4 times a day. 2. Aloe vera. It has antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties which helps reduce pain and shrink the canker sore and get rid of it. How to use. Apply aloe vera gel directly on the sore or rinse mouth with fresh aloe vera juice 3 to 4 times a day. 3. Salt. It helps to extract the fluid from the canker sore, sterilizes and cleanses, reduces the swelling around it and hence heals it faster. How to use. Add 1 teaspoon of salt to warm water and gargle 4 to 5 times a day. Also after gargling, apply a pinch of salt directly on the canker salt which will hurt but will help in faster healing. 4. Honey. It is antiseptic, antibacterial and has healing properties and hence help reduce the pain and inflammation caused due to canker sores. How to use. Apply few drops of honey to the canker sores 5 to 6 times a day. Alternatively, mix 1 teaspoon of honey and half a teaspoon of turmeric powder to make a paste and apply this paste to the affected area. Let it be there for a few minutes and rinse off with warm water. Repeat twice a day for better results. 5. Sage. It has calming properties which give instant relief from pain and inflammation. How to use. Boil 3 teaspoons of sage leaves in water and stir for 10 to 15 minutes. Let it cool and rinse your mouth with it and repeat this for 3 to 4 times a day. Another option is to apply crushed sage leaves directly on the canker sore and leave it on for some time. 6. Baking soda. It has alkaline properties and hence helps in neutralizing the acidity, thereby soothing pain and inflammation. How to use. Add water to 1 teaspoon of baking soda to make a paste and apply it to the affected area. Let it stay for some time and rinse it out. Repeat this 4 to 5 times a day. 7. Tea tree oil. It contains antibacterial and antiseptic compounds and therefore is a very effective skin disinfectant which also reduces the risk of further occurrence of sores. How to use. Make a solution of tea tree oil in water. Rinse your mouth with it 2 to 3 times a day. So, if you suffer from canker sores or know someone who does, be a doctor and tell them these natural remedies to get rid of the painful and annoying condition. Thank you for watching. If this video was useful, please click on the like button and subscribe to be notified with more useful videos.